Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making the joint behave. Remove the old gasket and all residue until metal shines, because adhesion depends on absolute cleanliness. Once done, wipe surfaces with brake cleaner or acetone and let evaporate. This removes oils that block the seal. Make sure to dry and degrease bolt holes too. You put on nitrile gloves and work in a ventilated space at moderate temperature because solvent and cure rates respond to heat and humidity. This gives predictable flow and bonding. You cut the nozzle to a bead size that matches the flange gap so the compound squeezes out evenly. A 1/8 to 3/16-inch bead works for most automotive flanges. Once ready, apply a continuous bead, avoid blobs, and immediately join the parts so the compound spreads predictably. Make sure to torque bolts in the specified sequence and to the correct spec. This compresses the bead uniformly and prevents high spots. Once clamped, wipe excess bead away before it skins to keep the area clean. You let the assembly sit undisturbed for the product's initial skin time, then allow full cure as instructed, often 1 to 2 days for full strength, because mechanical load before cure weakens the seal. Once skinned, trim excess with a razor and clean remaining residue. If you detect a leak after curing, do not tighten more. Remove the joint, completely clean both surfaces, and reapply a continuous bead. This fixes problems caused by contamination or uneven application and ensures a lasting seal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.